TV shows on Prime Video completely free for 30 days? In this video, I will show you step by step how to subscribe to Prime Video 30 days free, how the free trial works, who is eligible, and how to activate it the right way. Make sure to watch until the end because I will also explain how to avoid being charged after the trial period. If you want to activate your free trial right now, the official and real link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Use the official and real link in the description and pinned comment to make sure you are accessing the correct and safe page. Prime Video is a popular streaming service that offers thousands of movies, TV series, exclusive originals, documentaries, and kids content. During the 30-day free trial, you get full access to everything included in the regular membership. That means you can watch unlimited content, explore exclusive series, test the streaming quality, and see if the service is right for you. To start your free trial safely, always use the official and real link in the description and pinned comment below this video. The 30 days free trial is usually available for new customers who have not subscribed before. If you already used a free trial in the past, the offer may not be available again. The easiest way to check your eligibility is by clicking the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Now let me explain exactly how to subscribe to Prime Video 30 days free. First, click the official and real link in the description or in the pinned comment. Second, sign in with your Amazon account. If you do not have one, you can create it for free in just a few minutes. Third, look for the option that says start your 30-day free trial. Fourth, add a valid payment method. This is required to activate the trial, but you will not be charged during the 30-day free period. Finally, confirm your subscription and you will instantly get access to Prime Video. To avoid fake websites or incorrect pages, always use the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. During the free trial, you can stream on smart TVs, mobile phones, tablets, computers, and other supported devices. You can also download selected content to watch offline. There are no limitations compared to the paid version during the 30-day free trial. You get full access to the platform. If you decide that you do not want to continue after the trial, you can cancel anytime before the 30 days end. To cancel, go to your Amazon account settings, open memberships and subscriptions, select Prime membership, and click cancel before the renewal date. If you cancel on time, you will not be charged. If you want to activate the free trial now and decide later, simply click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment to get started safely. Starting the free trial today allows you to binge watch your favorite shows, explore exclusive content, and test everything without paying during the trial period. There is no reason to wait. The official and real link is already available in the description and in the pinned comment. Now you know exactly how to subscribe to Prime Video 30 days free. Open the description, click the official and real link, start your 30-day free trial, and enjoy unlimited streaming today. The official and real link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Start your free trial now.